Introducing Barmuze, a scientifically proven technology for elevating your alcohol.
That's good.
Okay, now try this one.
Yeah. Whew. That one's so much smoother.
Ugh. I'm a judge for the World Spirits Competition. But I do think the machine had the most impact on the Tito, you know. It made it more smooth, more neutral. Then take away the aromatics that you want in the whiskey, in the tequila.
Hi, I'm Mark Geist, CEO and one of the co-founders of Barmuze. We've spent the last 5 years refining our clarification technology so you can enjoy a dramatic improvement in your favorite alcohol with far fewer impurities, or create top shelf at home without the expensive price tag. Using Barmuze is easy. Just pour in your bottle of alcohol, make your selections with the buttons, and press go. In just about 4 minutes, Barmuze restructures your alcohol at the molecular level and vaporizes the impurities. The result is a smoother tasting drink with far fewer toxins. When you pour your liquid into Barmuze, the alcohol is placed under variable pressure, which vaporizes the fluid for just a nanosecond, and that's when the magic happens. The nanoparticles that are formed have minute changes to the molecular structure, which convert harsh-tasting acids to more pleasant-tasting esters, and in the process remove those unwanted impurities. So replace the sugars and high-calorie mixers you've been using to cover up the harshness and enjoy a healthier, more natural drink. We're bringing the Barmuze to Kickstarter and ask for your support for our vision of a better drink, a cleaner lifestyle, and hopefully a more pleasant morning after. As always, drink responsibly, join the Barmuze community, and be part of our Kickstarter campaign by pledging now. Thank you.